Alright guys, so I have installed the supports on the driver's side mud flap, and we can see that there's a pretty big space here between the floor of the bed and the end of the support. Now, one thing that's important to note, this hole here in the bed is a weep hole for this stake pocket right here. And I'll go all the way up and show you down inside. So that hole is to allow dirt that may have accumulated down in the stake pocket and water to escape. Now, I would really enjoy having the support that I made behind the mud flap supports, but as we can see, it covers the weep hole, and I can't allow that. I can't have that blocked, and I don't want water constantly drenching the wood because it'll make the wood rot. So the support is going to have to go in front. And I've seen this on a few other trucks that have wood beds, that they are mounted this way. So this is what I'll have to do. And I'm gonna determine placement. I don't know if I want it up against the end of the bed or what, but I'll figure something out. Drill the holes, and you can see now that the weep hole is clear, which is what we want. Anyway, I'll be right back.